I have a collect call from... Please press 4.
Hey, bro, hit me back, man. It's like my fourth time calling, man. Y'all act like y'all ignoring me. Bro, what's good? Y'all act like y'all can't pick up the phone. Hey, I need about 30 on the books, bro. I ain't had no commissary last week. I ain't getting no letters or none of that, man. Y'all ain't rocking with me, bro.
Whipping in a battle, he got caught up in the center. Missing lean with the phantom, he was rolling in a Honda. Knew a broad in Atlanta, all the homies wanna hit a skirt. This can't be the one for ya, yeah. Flirting with that Katy Perry, yeah. My youngins out here trolling gas, yeah. Run up, get your done up, spaghetti.
Our project starts with us pressing play on a computer, which is a form of electrical energy, causing the speaker to produce sound energy, which causes the phone box to fall over and the ball rolls on the ramp down onto a box with wheels under it. The wheels then hit the stick under the weight, causing the weight attached to the pulley to pull a string attached to the hairdryer, which is another form of electrical energy.
Afterward, the hairdryer produces electrical energy, which leads to the books falling, creating a chain reaction that leads to dominoes falling, which creates another chain reaction that leads to a giant book falling onto a basketball, onto a PVC pipe.
After the PVC pipe falls over, it hits a string that holds up the pool stick, and it lowers to hit the 8-ball and sinks it into the hole.
Game.
Kicked out of college, came home, they put him on the lid. That bitch went left, he did time.